Hello everyone. Write a program in Python to accept any number from the user and check it is prime number or not. You have to check it is a prime number or not. The number will be given by the user. So let us begin. Now see here, the comments I have written, write a program to accept any number and check it is a prime number or not. Then in num variable, I have accepted a number. Then I have initialized c equal to 0. Then the for loop is running from 1 till that particular number which I have entered. So let's check here. I have entered 5. Now the for loop will run from 1 to 5 and it will take out the remainder if num mod I is equal to 0. So num means that particular number, that 5 mod 1 is equal to 0 or not, that is true. So it is true. So the c value will become c plus equal to 1. So c value will become 1. Then again it will move to the for loop and the I value will change and it will become 2. So now 5 mod 2 equal to 0, false. So c value will not increase. Again the for loop will run and now the I value will change and it will become 3. So 5 mod 3 equal to 0, that is false. C value will not change and again the for loop will run and the I value will change into 4. So 5 mod 4 equal to 0, that is false. So C will not increase. Again it will move to for loop and now the for I value will change and it will become 5. 5 mod 5 equal to 0, that is true. So now the C value will increase and it will become 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Again it will move to I for loop and now the for loop's I value will become 6, and but it will not run, as in the bracket here you can see I have written I comma num plus 1. Num plus 1 means the number I have entered 5. 5 plus 1 means 6, but it will run till 5. So here it has run already till 5. Now the for loop will stop. Now it will move to the if condition. Now c is equal to 2. C value is how much? 2. So 2 is equal to 2. That is true. So when it will be true, it will print that num is a prime number. That means 5 is a prime number. If 2 is not equal to 2, then it will print the else part, that is num is not a prime number. Let's run the program again. By entering 5. So here you can see 5 is a prime number. And when I am giving 6, so 6 is having factors. How many 6 is having factors? 6 is having factor 1, 6 is having factor 2, 6 is having factor 3, and 6 is having factor 6 itself. So 6 is having 4 factors. So it will be not as a prime number. A number which is having 2 factors, that the number is divisible by 1 and itself, that number is a prime number. Bye bye.